In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send test email in Brevo. We'll walk through how to quickly send a test email for a campaign so you can catch formatting issues, broken links, or typos before anything goes out to your audience. This is a simple but essential step that helps you ship confidently. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. This ensures you're starting fresh and not relying on a cached session. In the search results, click the official Brevo website. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure you're on the legitimate domain before proceeding. Log in to your account using your usual credentials. If your workspace uses two-factor authentication, complete that step as well. Make sure you're in the correct account or organization if you manage multiple brands. Your campaigns and templates are tied to that workspace. Once you're in, navigate to Marketing, then select Campaign. This is where all your email campaigns live. Find the campaign you want to test. If you have several, use search or filters to locate the most recent draft. Open the campaign, then click Edit Design. This brings you into the email editor where you can double-check your content, images, links, and personalization. When your draft looks good, click Preview and Test. This area lets you see how the email renders and gives you access to testing tools. From there, choose Send Test Email. This option sends a copy of the current design to a recipient you select so you can view it in a real inbox. Select the recipient for your test. It's a good idea to send to your own address and, if possible, to a colleague who uses a different email client. That way, you can see how it appears in both desktop and mobile and across providers. Confirm the recipient and click Send Test. The test should arrive within a minute or two, depending on your email provider. After sending, open the email in your inbox and check the subject line, pre-header text, sender name, and reply to address. Scroll through the content to confirm spacing, fonts, image alignment, and link tracking. If your campaign uses personalization, verify that placeholders display correctly in the preview. For a thorough check, view it on your phone as well as your computer, and try a dark mode view if your device supports it. That's it. By following these steps, searching Brevo, logging in, navigating to Marketing and Campaign, editing your design, using Preview and Test, sending a test email, and selecting the recipient, you'll make sure your campaign looks polished before you send it to your list.